Hello everybody, myself Dr. Sujata, consultant eye surgeon at Sri Lakshmi Eye Care, Banashankari, Bangalore. All of us are living in a digital era. An era where we are surrounded by many screens, starting from mobile screens, TV screens and laptop screens. 80% of the people who work in offices are spending more than 6 to 8 hours of their time on digital screens. And among this 80%, half of them are experiencing some kind of symptoms like headache, blurring of vision, watering of the eyes, redness, neck pain and shoulder stiffness. So all these symptoms put together we call as computer vision syndrome, or more commonly known as digital eye strain. What is of increasing concern to the ophthalmologists is not only adults but nowadays even the pediatric age group, that is kids, are also being affected with this digital eye strain, which is secondary to the increased screen time. As we see, kids are spending more time on their tablets, mobile screens and television screens for their online classes. In addition to the symptoms that I have mentioned in adults, kids also have varied presentations like increased irritability and also attention deficit, which means they are not able to concentrate on the work that they have been doing. So what do you do when you feel you have this digital eye strain? The first and the foremost thing that we recommend is having a comprehensive eye examination by an ophthalmologist. And how is this helpful? By doing a comprehensive eye examination, we do detect refractive errors. Means if you have some spectacle power, even then you might be having a fatigue on your eyes. So these refractive errors have to be corrected. Secondly, if you have a small cylinder power which you have not been wearing all these years, even the small cylinder power can cause eye fatigue, and that's the reason we recommend you using glasses when you work on your systems. And the third thing is the presbyopic age group, that is patients who have crossed 40 years. They find difficulty in near vision and also when viewing their computers. So for these kind of patients, we do recommend a special kind of glass, what we call as progressive glasses. So correcting refractive errors and also addressing the minimal muscle imbalance that these people have, they reduce the fatigue. The most common regimen that we recommend for most of our patients is the 20-20-20 rule. So what is this 20-20-20 rule? So when you're working on a system for more than 6 to 8 hours in a day, every 20 minutes, just take a break. You can sit in your seat and look at an object which is at least 20 feet away from your monitor for a period not less than 20 seconds. So how is this 20-20-20 rule helpful? When you're concentrating on an object, all the eye muscles, they go into a spasmodic phase, what we call as an accommodative spasm. So when you look at a far-off object, this spasm is broken and the fatigue is released. We also recommend increased blinking. Most of the times when we concentrate on a work, we always tend to forget to blink. So when we forget to blink, there is dryness. And this dryness in turn can result in fatigue of your eyes. So only during blinking, the tear film, it resurfaces and moisturizes your eyes. And the third important thing that we recommend is the position of your laptop or the desktop. Make sure that it is at least 28 inches away from you and 15 to 20 degrees below your eye level. So this is the resting position of the eyes. You can also modify the brightness and the magnification of the screen. And also when you go for buying a new laptop, make sure the display screen is going to be big and is also an LED screen. So when you work in an environment, make sure that there is no direct light which is falling on the screen, because this light, it will cause a glare on your eyes. So our main idea is to reduce the glare which is emitting from these monitors. So you can do it with the help of an anti-glare screen which is either fixed on the laptop, or you can have an anti-glare coating on your glasses. So these are the few tips that you can follow. Apart from that, in case if you are not relieved of these symptoms with all the tips that we have been mentioning, your eye doctor usually recommends medications in the form of lubricating drops. So with these tips, I hope you are able to cut down your digital eye strain and lead a healthy and happy vision. So make sure you get a comprehensive eye examination so that your doctor can diagnose, detect and treat your refractive errors and minimal muscle imbalances. Thank you.